If you ask me what Chinese food I miss the most from China, I would say street food. The oyster with garlic sauce is definitely one of the top 3 street food I love. So I decided to share with you a quick recipe for it. Once we open up the oyster shells, clean the shells and the oysters separately. Place them back in the shell. This will make it easier to serve once they are done. So in a bowl, we're going to make this garlic sauce with the ingredients I have listed here. Make sure they are fully combined before we pour in this extremely hot cooking oil. This helps to release the aroma from the sauce, just like that. Now quickly apply the garlic sauce on top of the oysters. Make sure they are fully covered with the sauce. Bake for about 10 minutes at 360 Fahrenheit. Garnish with some spring onion. There you have it. Look at that. The full recipe is in my bio link. Try it out. Thank you for watching. Have a good one.